Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Narayanaya. Sri Krishna Leelas, Maya manifested. Srimad Bhagavatam tells us all about Lord's Maya. All creations are a result of his Maya. And he revels in that, but ultimately it is all about understanding him as one within ourselves and live a life fully devoted to him with true bhakti that will instill more of sattvic gunas and help to be rid of the rajasic and tamasic traits. That is why we pray at the end of ceremonies, Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu, let all in the world remain happy. This in itself implies a conviction that all are his creation, and as he resides in all, no one should be seen as bad or as an enemy or be disliked. Needless to say, such an attitude enshrined in everyone will ultimately rid the society of its ills, especially in this Kali age. Now, a glimpse into Lord's Maya, as experienced by none other than Lord Brahma, born on a lotus sprung from Sriman Narayana's navel, and by Devarshi Narada, and then of course Maya is wanted to be experienced by Chiranjeevi Markandeya. Now, Narada witnesses Lord's Maya. Following the killing of Narakasura and at the request of his mother Earth, Sri Krishna spared the life of Naraka's son, Bhagadatta. Naraka had kept 16,100 maidens taken away from the kings, gods and others, and kept them all in confinement in his chambers. Now, happy with the killing of their captor Naraka, all of them fervently prayed to Sri Krishna for succor, as individually they all had nurtured a desire to be with the Lord, who accordingly arranged for them all to be transported to Dwarka, as they had nowhere else to go. A curious Narada wanted to see how Sri Krishna was managing more than 16,000 households. And what Narada witnessed was nothing but Maya manifested. While in one chamber he saw him closeted with Rukmini, in another it was a scene of a Krishna having woken up 2.5 hours before dawn and doing the prescribed morning prayers and offering to Brahmanas. If at one place Narada saw him in cohort with a maiden, elsewhere it was a cow and its calf being tended to. And likewise Narada's curiosity grew more with the visit to more and more of Sri Krishna's chambers, in which each of those 16,100 maidens was accommodated. And as Narada appeared in each of these mansions, Sri Krishna stood up and did Pada Puja and other offerings due to a Dvija, the twice born. In one he was doing Prada Sandhya Vandana and Gayatri Japa, in another playing a game of dice with close friend Uddhava. In one it was a Sri Krishna riding horse or elephant, yet in another sporting in water attended by courtesans, still gifting of cows and calves to Brahmanas in one mansion while listening to Idihasas and Puranas in yet another. Narada, by now at his wit's end, surrendered to the Lord and took leave of him, saying that he would go round and sing in praise of the Almighty, discoursing on his Maya and his Leelas. How Lord Brahma was overawed by Sri Krishna's Maya. Sri Krishna and Balarama once set out to the forest with the entourage of friends and the cows, as well as calves, for the animals to graze in. In his eagerness to test Krishna, who was his own progenitor, having been born from the lotus that sprung from Lord Sri Hari's navel, Brahma stole away the cowherd, cows and calves, and went into hiding even as Krishna and Balarama and friends were engaged in games and merriment. The all-knowing creator of this universe was not unaware of what was happening. Sri Krishna lost no time in assuming himself the form, identity, features and everything else identical to the stolen cowherds and calves. Imagine the Lord returning to Vraja with all men and livestock that had gone in the morning. And this Maya process, as detailed in Srimad Bhagavatam, continued for just 1 year, before the end of which an apologetic Brahma surrendered before him with all of the stolen calves beside him. Brahma in humility recalled how true it was that he was born from the lotus that sprang from Lord Sriman Narayana's navel, and got lost in himself, unaware of where and what he was, until through the ashariri, an ethereal sound, he got the 2 syllables tha-pa, thereby realizing that he was to do tapas for enlightenment. Sri Krishna now returned to Vraja with the living and real cattle that were in reality missing for 1 full year, and this fact was unknown to anyone in Vraja. Sri Krishna Krishna, Sri Krishna Krishna, Sri Krishna Krishna. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu.